This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. If you use QuickBooks Desktop and want to track time in QuickBooks Time, you can connect them to send timesheets into your desktop account for payroll and other accounting needs. Let's go over how to set up the integration, adjust the settings, and perform a sync. Note, this integration method is only available for the newer versions of QuickBooks Desktop. For older accounts, you can use our Web Connector integration. There are a few things you want to check in your QuickBooks Desktop account before integrating. First, make sure Use Time Data to Create Paychecks is checked in both the company-wide preferences and for each active employee. Then, make sure Do You Track Time is marked as Yes in company-wide preferences. Make sure all employees are set up with at least one payroll item. Lastly, make sure you are signed into your QuickBooks Desktop account as the main admin and you are in single user mode. From your home screen in QuickBooks Desktop, select Enter Time, then activate QuickBooks Time and start a new trial. Once you're signed in, the sync between your accounts will begin automatically. Now you can set up the integration settings. To launch QuickBooks Time inside QuickBooks Desktop, go to Employees and select Enter Time, then use QuickBooks Time. In QuickBooks Time, select the QuickBooks dropdown, then select Preferences. Here, choose what you want your team members to track on their timesheets, if you want your vendors to track time, and any other adjustments you need for your integration. To map your payroll items from your QuickBooks Desktop account to your QuickBooks Time account, select Payroll Item Mapping tool. For each employee, make sure the correct payroll items are applied to each time type. Once your integration is set up and your team members have tracked some time, you can export approved timesheets into QuickBooks Desktop. Note, performing a sync will also import anything new you've added in your desktop account into QuickBooks Time, like employees or customers. To sync your account in QuickBooks Desktop, go to Employees and select Enter Time, then Sync QuickBooks Time. You can find these timesheets in Weekly Timesheets. Now you know how to integrate your QuickBooks Time and QuickBooks Desktop accounts.